Hi, I'm the Barbecue Butcher. Today, I've got an awesome piece of 9+ Carrara Wagyu Scotch Fillet. I've been waiting to get my hands on one of these for a long time, and I finally have. This is pretty cool times. We're going to cut it up and show you what the marbling looks like on the inside. But before I do that, the knives, everybody asks me what knives do I use. I use FDX, made in Germany. So if you'd like to ever get one of these, check out the link below on the video and use the code to get 10% off. And let's start with this great piece of meat. And I don't know which end to go from that end, but I think that end looks pretty cool. Around there, that's awesome. Alrighty, we're going to do like we do in all my, to get a decent sized steak, I'm going to go 2 fingers. I know some people have got bigger fingers than other people, but we'll go 2 fingers and, you know, just mark it out before you cut it. I don't know if you saw that, my little dog beside me was just licking his lips going, I'm getting fed. I'm like, yep, you're the most spoilt dog known to mankind. And then the last one, look at that, 4 fingers. Woohoo! Okay, let's cut this first one, see what it looks like. Ooh, no, I'm not going to show you. Wow, look at that, looks like a tiger. What's this one going to look like? Oh, that's pretty cool too. We'll go from that way. And I'm just going to show you how the muscle changes a little bit in a Scotch fillet as you go down. Wow, that's cool. And here behind me, got doves crowing. I don't know if a dove crows, but probably hear it. Woohoo, look at that. Oh, look at that up there. This is going to be awesome to eat. Can't wait. Very, very lucky. That's cool. Push it all down. I have to sort of go like that, but we'll turn it that way. It looks a bit better. So you can see how that muscle stays the same and changes, gets bigger, and it just comes through. So that's pretty impressive. I'm very happy with that. That's a Carrara 9+ Scotch Fillet. Yeah, that's awesome. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and look out for my next one that's coming out very soon. Have a great day.